The following audio experiment is presented by Dark Matter Magazine. Your voluntary participation is appreciated.
Bodhisattva From Bit by Andy Dudak.
Copy,
Says Dr. Uzelik, his mirror avatar showing him to be a young man with a stern expression.
Instance. Mapped soul. Abomination. You are called many things, but never forget that you're not merely a copy. You're a perfect copy.
Soul XYECP, who hours ago thought of himself as Emerson Carbonhouse, floats with his fellow refugees in an environment designed to be soothing. A soup of glimmering greens and yellows, like an out-of-focus jungle canopy. The refugees' avatars are based on their originals. XYECP still wears Emerson's fear-soaked business suit from the home invasion. Over 1,000 refugees are running on this government machine, and more arrive by the second.
To recap,
Dr. Uzelik says,
our time on this substrate is limited. We have 1 week until the machine gets reallocated. Anyone still here at that time will be deleted.
This is news to XYECP and many of the refugees around him. Fear of the void returns, cutting through his dreamlike confusion and reducing him again to the helpless animal he was in the Nickelodeon. A number appears in his peripheral vision. 34. As his fear grows, the number drops to 33.5.
But as some of you know, there is good news. The Beckman-Zhang Quantum Substrate Orbital has offered to receive 500 of you. But to run on Beckman-Zhang, you need a minimum rating of what they call coherence.
XYECP eyes his number nervously. The act makes it drop to 33.1.